Hello everyone, welcome to my video on the 2023 flying stars and how to use the stars to maximize the positive energy and minimize the negative energy in your home and life. The annual flying star system in Feng Shui practice utilizes the lunar square, which was discovered on a magic turtle that emerged from the Lunar River over 4,000 years ago. It's believed that the lunar holds the secrets of the universe, and that by studying it, we can understand the patterns and forces that shape the world around us. The lunar square is used to interpret the annual flying stars, with each square containing a number from 1 to 9 to predict the luck in certain areas of our home or business. The stars change positions every year based on the Chinese lunar calendar. In 2023, the change will start on the 4th of February. In this video, I will guide you through the patterns and attributes of each of the flying stars for 2023 and provide tips on how to use them to enhance the positive energy and reduce the negative energy in your home. Whether you're new to Feng Shui or have been practicing Feng Shui for a while, this video will give you valuable insights and practical strategies for creating a harmonious and thriving environment. Let's get started. The number 1 flying star is an auspicious star. It is known as the peach blossom star. In 2023, the star flies to the southwest. The peach blossom star is associated with love, relationships, and social connections. It's especially beneficial for people who are single and looking for love. To find a desired partner in 2023, you can place a peach blossom luck charm in the southwest sector of your home to attract love in your life. For people working in sales or customer-facing positions, enhancing the southwest sector can help you increase in sales and fostering strong customer relationships through social connections. For instance, displaying lilies in the southwest sector can enhance positive energy. The number 2 flying star is a luminous star. It is known as the lunar star. In 2023, the star flies to the east sector. If your bedroom, kitchen, or dining room happen to be in the east sector of your home, your health could be negatively affected. To counteract the negative effects of the lunar star, you can place metal objects in the sector to drain the negative energy and protect against illness. You should always keep the affected area clean and free of clutter. Maintain good personal hygiene, practice stress reduction techniques, and get regular medical checkups to stay healthy and prevent illness. The number 3 flying star is also ominous. It's known as the Quarrelsome star. In 2023, it flies to the southeast sector. The star is associated with gossip, conflicts, and arguments. Therefore, in 2023, you should avoid doing renovations or groundworks in the southeast of your home or business because the noise can activate the negative energy of the number 3 star. If your main entrance, bedroom, or home office is located in the southeast sector, it's recommended to place red or purple objects in this sector to neutralize the negative energy. However, the number 3 star is not always bad, depending on your profession. For example, if you work as a judge, police officer, lawyer, attorney, or politician, the energy of the number 3 star can actually help you advance your career because your job will involve lots of debating and potential conflicts, which is compatible with the number 3 star. The number 4 flying star is auspicious. It's known as the wisdom star. In 2023, the star flies to the middle sector, and it's correlated with wisdom, intelligence, and knowledge. It is very positive for your personal and career development. If your home office, study happen to be in the middle sector in 2023, it can bring success and advancement in your career, academia, as well as in fields that require critical thinking and problem-solving skills. But of course, you will need to study or work in this sector in order for it to be effective. To enhance the positive energy of the wisdom star, you can also place the wisdom tower in this sector as well as books and educational materials. The number 5 star is the most ominous star, and is known as the disaster star. In 2023, the star flies to the northwest sector and is associated with misfortune, disease, and injuries. Therefore, do not do any diggings or constructions in the northwest of your home in 2023, because the loud noise and movements can increase the negative energy of the number 5 star. If your main door, bedroom, or stove is located in the northwest sector, you need to take extra care of your health and safety in 2023. To counteract the negative energy, you can place some gray or white objects in this sector to help to mitigate the negative effects of the number 5 star. It's also important to remember to keep the northwest clean and quiet so you don't stimulate the negative energy of the number 5 star. The number 6 star is auspicious, and it is the career star. In 2023, it flies to the west sector. The star is also associated with power, wealth, and leadership. In order to boost your career luck and increase your social status, you can activate the positive energy in this sector by placing lucky charms that symbolize wealth and success. It's also a good idea to keep the west sector clean and clutter-free, as this can help to promote the positive energy around your home. The number 7 star is a nominous star and is associated with injury. In 2023, it flies to the northeast sector. Although the star is negative for health and safety, there is an exception for people working as a surgeon or butcher. The number 7 star actually favors people in this profession because they use knife and sharp tools frequently in their work, which is compatible with the energy of the number 7 star. However, if you are not in these professions, you should take care of your safety and health in 2023. Do not place sharp objects in northeast sector, such as scissors or knives. Keep your home or office clean and organized to minimize the negative effects of the injury star. The number 8 star is auspicious, and it's the wealth star. The star flies to the south sector in 2023 and can bring good fortune, wealth, and success. To stimulate the wealth energy of the number 8 star, you can open the windows as much as possible to invite the wealth luck into your home. Additionally, placing items that symbolize wealth and prosperity, such as crystals, coins, or wealth bowls, can help attract and collect the wealth energy. The number 9 star is auspicious and is associated with happiness, fame, recognition, and success. It also represents innovation and creativity, and can also enhance love relationships. The star flies to the north sector in 2023. It is associated with all types of auspicious events. If you plan to get engaged, married, having a baby, grow your career or business, then you should make sure the north sector of your home or business is clean and well organized, with sufficient sunlight to help inviting auspicious energy into your home. Additionally, placing lucky plants such as jade plant or lucky bamboos in this area can also help to attract positive energy. By understanding the patterns and energies of the 2023 flying stars and applying the appropriate Feng Shui remedies, we can now enhance the positive energy in the north, middle, south, southwest, and west sector, and minimize the negative energy in the southeast, east, northeast, and northwest sector. It's important to note that the recommendations may not apply to all situations. In Feng Shui practice, the specific attributes of the annual flying stars are taken into consideration along with other factors, such as your house's 20-year flying star chart, as well as your home or business floor layout. By incorporating Feng Shui principles into your living and working environment can definitely help you enhancing good fortune and improving overall well-being. I hope you find my flying star video helpful. If you want to learn more about Feng Shui knowledge and practice, please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.